Holden is amazing. When he smiles, he's got this cute little giggle, and he can just light up the whole room.
Holden is an awesome kid. He needs a lot of attention. He's nonverbal. He's autistic. He's sensory processing. But more importantly, he's my son.
I'm Lauren Weissberg. My husband Marc and I have 3 boys. So we have Reed, who's 7.5, Holden, who has Dup15q Syndrome, he's 5, and Jonas is 5 months old.
When I received the diagnosis, I didn't know what it meant. Dup15q is a rare disorder. It's not like I could say, oh, I knew someone that had this. I didn't know what challenges Holden would have.
This has changed everything in our lives, and it was hard. It was a hard moment, and the moments that followed were very hard too, because this is a tough life, and it's not going to go away, and we need to learn how to function within it. Although kids are also different, there are a lot of symptoms that are going to look the same for kids with Dup15q syndrome: epilepsy, the cognitive impairment, low muscle tone, visual challenges, and there's a lot of aggressive ADD, ADHD, sometimes as the kids get older. So many of the moms in there, their children are struggling with seizures, head drops, they're hitting their heads. It's taking away their lives. Their parents can't sleep. My whole life became a giant bulletin board of therapy appointments and specialists, and it's so easy to lose yourself in that. And there are days where I completely have it together and I feel like a warrior, and there are some days where I can't really get out of bed, and that's true. And I'm very open about that. I struggle with my mental health because of this. I struggle with depression and anxiety because I can't do it all.
The Alliance has been, a big therapy session, and we can ask each other questions.
We support each other. We understand that moment when you just feel really frustrated and you just need to give in and you feel like you want to give up, and they're there. They give you that support.
I think meeting families helps you in your decisions in what you're going to do with your child.
These people love your child like nobody else is going to love your child. They get it. They get you. They get your life. You never have to feel uncomfortable. You never have to apologize, because at the end of the day, you're going to want to surround yourself with the people who do get it and who do care and who are there for you. Last year, my husband's cousin got married, and they asked both of my boys, I was pregnant at the time with the other one, they asked them to be ring bearers, and we didn't know if Holden was gonna do it.
I've never seen Holden walk 75 feet straight, and we were practicing with him, and it wasn't going that great.
We practiced, and when we got there, it was a cobblestone walkway, and I said, oh my God, this is never gonna happen.
So I wasn't sure if he was gonna do it.
He did it, and I videoed it. To watch him walk down that aisle when we never knew if he was even gonna walk was probably one of the greatest moments of our lives, and I think I could speak for Marc when I say that. It was incredible.
But for him to be able to walk down the aisle, just the 75 feet, was amazing, and it was a small accomplishment, but definitely the highlight of my year last year.
I'm proud of him. I'm proud of him every day in every way. It's not a journey we intended on, but what a tour guide we have. He's incredible. He really is.